Today we are going to make a Java project on to understand the if-else statements and switch statements. So let's start. So create new project, new Java project. Project name will be statements. Again, go to source folder and press right click on the new and make a class. Class name main class. Okay, unchecked and finished. So let me maximize. Okay, now today our topic is to if else, how if else works. In the first video I just take a small example for the if else statement, as well as now today we cover switch statement. Okay, first let's start the take an example for the if else statement to find max number from 3 numbers. Okay, if I want to take an array in the future to understand what is array, then we take an array to find the maximum numbers of the a lot of numbers. Okay, so first start we make a 3 variables just like integer. I told you earlier there are many data types to make a variables identifiers that we want to create. So int num variable num1, num2 and num3. Okay, so now input from the user, take input from the user in the number num1, num2 and num3, and then find maximum number from these numbers. Okay, so sys out enter number1, make a global scanner. See, scanner import automatically packages that we require to take input from the user. So scanner make an object sc for new keyword. Through new keyword we make a new object, data type object that we want to create, and new keyword also assign a new memory in the memory to the new variable, just like se and now have a new memory allocation in the memory. So now there in the parameter system dot in means we want to take some input from the keyboard or mouse. Okay, so let's start. For num1 sc dot next int function take input as an integer from the user, so we take an input. Okay, so simply copy paste and then also paste num2 num3. Okay, here also num2 num3. Okay, now what we do, now we take a input from user and now we use if else to find maximum. What is if else? Simply we can say that if else, just like in daily routines we use if else. If we want we do this will be happened. Okay, just like a simple example of the our daily life. So just if else will be help us to find pure or maybe specific thing. Okay, so sorry, no, here if else, if there is a conditional statement there in the parenthesis of the if, it must take unary or maybe binary operators to find the result. It returns also true or false. If I maybe said, if I give num is double equals to num2, num2 is equals to num1. Okay, so those the two operators, meaning num1 and also num2, its process first and then the result will be in the true or false. If num1 is equals to num2, it return true. If num2 is not equals to num1, it return false, because if it always run on the true or false. Okay, so now we want to find maximum number. So number 1 is greater than num2. These are assigned to also find if num1 means if 1 is greater than 3, sorry, if 1 is greater than 3, if this will be true, it return true to these parentheses, and then if get true, then it will be to the body to the of the if else. Okay, so now if num1 is greater than num2 also, because we have three numbers, if num1 also greater than num2 and as well as num3, so we also check num1 for num3. No, it will be true. It will be sys out print number 1 is greater. Okay, now same for num2, we check these requirements and conditions to check num2 is greater or not. For num1 and num2 is also greater than num3, so we print sys out number 2 is greater. Okay, so also else condition here to find maximum number 3 num1 and num3 is also num2. Okay, here simply change to 3. Okay, it will be look simpler. Or no, we run the program and check whether this project is true or maybe work good or not. So run. Yes, here enter number 1. First number will be 20 integer type, so enter number 2 will be 10. Number 3 I again send 40. Number 3 is greater because number 3 have 40, that is also greater than 1 and greater than 10 and also greater than the 20, so it will be easier. It means this project is working good or true. Okay, these are the if else conditional statements. There are a lot of functional there are a lot of conditional statements like conditionals conditions. Okay, what are those conditions? And operator, or operator. And operator, what is meant by and operator? And operators always work when both of the values return both of the values return true. It means if there are two values, num1 is greater than num2 also return true, and again num1 is greater than num3 is also return true. There are two operators that we find to that we combine here with the AND operator. Okay, so if they both return true, then the if will be received true and go to the inside the body. Okay, if they have all, if each one of the have false, it will be false considered. Okay, so it will be goes to else, and also it is the else goes to else. Okay, so and operator, or now or operator, what is it? One of them must be true. It opposite to AND. If this return true or this return false, it will be also same. It will be go to inside the body of the if. Okay, because OR operation always want to only one true to go inside the body. It means no need to worry about the all conditions that we apply. If we got one condition true, if will be considered as a true and go inside the body. Just like take an example of or if just like say char ch is equals to a. Okay, no, ch, we take a variable and take input from user scanner dot next, just like a skin. Okay, for char take a string. Okay, string next. Okay, now we take a string from user. If user pressed ch is double equals to string, for string we use double quotes. Okay, press a or ch is double equals to press small a. In programming language, capital A and small a have different meanings, so we always check both of the letters, so alphabet, so capital A and small a, we consider small a and a capital A just like one alphabet of the language, so we always used or. If user press small a or capital A, work will be a same, like sys out same. Okay, now we will check run, enter number 110, simple other 20, also 30. Here is a number that we want to just like to here see we not use a sys or print, so there is no outline for the input for ch. Okay, we just give like John, number is 3 is greater. Okay, okay, we enter John because and there is no sys out because a is not equals to ch, because ch have now John string, not a or small a. Okay, now sys out enter a. Okay, now we specify the input for the ch. Now 10, 20, 29, 30, enter a. If I press small a, okay, see, if I press small a and capital A, it will be same. Okay, not same. What is the error? Because in Java languages we not compare string just like this. Okay, so dot we use equal functions. Okay, for using equal function we justify we equal the both string. It's my mistake, I just totally forgot it. Now 10, 20, 30 and press small a, it's just like an same. If again I pressed and again 20, 30, I just now press capital A, small a and capital A, it's also print small same. Because I told you, OR operator always get one true. This ch dot equals of function will return also true, or it also return true or false to the if means if this if get only one true from this function or this function, it will be same as a consider true function, it will be go to the inside the body. Okay, now we go to the switch. What is meant by switch? We show to the switch. We take this example. If switch, okay, key, it must input a key from the user. A key must be only one, just like only one variable. Okay, just like there is a ch, we check the value. Here the cases in the switches are cases. If case this, print this. If case this, functionality will be performed that we want. Okay, now here the string, so we write capital A, or print sys out user pressed A. Okay, if again case B, users pressed B. Okay, here a capital A or capital B is always different from the small a or small b. Okay, if I run this or comment these, for the better understanding, no, run the application, no, enter A, I just print capital B, so enter capital B, what will be the user pressed B. Okay, if again I run this project, enter small b. Okay, I told you there is a capital B or small b will be different, so what will be happen? Nothing, because terminated, because we can't justify, we can't tell you the computer the case B, small b or capital B will be same. So here what we need, so write case for the small b also, it will be used just like what will the error, inserts missing, sorry, here. Okay, so now if again run the project, enter small b, also print users pressed B, because here OR condition, I used OR condition, these called OR condition in the switch statements, and case will be as considered as OR. If I pressed B or if I pressed capital B, it will be same for the user pressed B. Okay, in the default, what will be default, if user pressed another key that were not in the cases, it will be print invalid. Okay, it will be just like if else, if not true, else will be true, if else must be print their functionality in on side on console based. Okay, now run the project and check what happened. I pressed C, invalid, because there is no C case. Okay, I hope you got the idea, and if you have any query about the if else or switch statements, comment me or contact me. So today see you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.